Welcome to the WDC PMKSY 2.0 MIS portal. Today we are going to learn the process of add subcategories of others activity for already approved works. First, you have to click on login, enter your PIA username, enter the password and enter the security code. Click on login. Now you have logged in successfully. Click on the Add subcategories of others activities for already approved works under the Physical Plan and Achievement menu. Select your project name. Select the financial year. After selecting the financial year, a list of approved work ID of others activity for add categories given here. You have to add the categories for others. Make sure first you have to define other activity after the approval of work. If there is any category under the others activity, then you have to define the subcategory of others. For this, SLNA have to define master category for others activity like harvesting. If there is any category which comes under the others, then you have to define these others for each head if any. If any subcategories under the others activity, you must define each subcategory for each head. SLNA can only add the master categories for the others activity for each head, and you can select those categories from the list for these activities of the head. First, you have to contact your SLNA admin, and SLNA admin will add the subcategories for each head. First, I am going to log in with SLNA admin user and I will show you how SLNA admin will add the categories for each head. First, log out from PIA user. Enter the SLNA username, SLNA admin username. Enter the password and enter the security code. Click on login. Now you have logged in successfully. This is for SLNA admin role. Click on the Add View Details of Physical Other Activities subcategory under the Master menu. You can add the other subcategory. For Add subcategory, click on the Add Other subcategory. After clicking the Add Other subcategory, a dialog box will show, and select the head code and description. Add other subcategory here like harvesting. Enter the sequence number and select the status active from drop down menu. Click on the save button. After clicking the save button, that data has been saved successfully. For adding more other subcategory, click on the other subcategory and select the head code and head description. Enter the other subcategory name. Which is related to the subcategory. Enter the sequence number and select the status active from drop down list. Click on the Save button. Now the record has been saved successfully. For adding other subcategory, click on the Add Other subcategory. Select the head description. Enter the other subcategory. Enter the sequence number. Select the status active from the drop down menu and click on the Save button, and the data has been saved successfully. So you can add other subcategories. For repeat the same process. If you want to delete any record, then click on the icon delete. After clicking the delete, you find a message, are you sure want to delete this record? Then click on delete, and the data has been removed successfully. If you want to edit any other subcategory or head code, then click on the icon edit. For this, you cannot edit head code and description. Also activity code and description. You can only edit the other subcategory name, sequence number and status. So if you want to edit any subcategory, then click on the other subcategory and enter your other subcategory name. Enter here other subcategory name. Enter the sequence number and select the status active from the drop down menu. Click on the Save button. Now the record has been updated successfully. If you want to add other subcategory, then click on the Add Other subcategory. Select the head code and description. Enter other subcategory. Enter the sequence number and select the status active from drop down menu. Click on the Save button. Now the data has been saved successfully. If you map the other subcategory, after mapping this category, you will not be able to delete the record. You can only edit the record. So this was the process for adding other subcategory for the SLNA admin. Now I am going to log in with PIA user and I will show you how PIA user will map these categories. First, log out from SLNA admin role. And enter your PIA username. Enter the password and enter the security code. Click on login. Now you have logged in successfully. Click on the Add subcategories of others activities for already approved works under the Physical Plan and Achievement menu. Select your project name. Select the financial year. After selecting the financial year, a list of approved work ID of other activity for add categories is listed down, and you can see your categories which is added by the SLNA admin. Now you have to select the category. which is related to your head. Select the category for each head. After selecting the category, make sure all data is correct which you add in categories. If there is any category not listed down, then you have to contact your SLNA admin for add the master. Again, if you want to add any other subcategory, then you have to contact your SLNA admin, and SLNA admin will add the categories here. After selecting the categories, you have to click on the save button. Click on the save button. After clicking the save button, you find a message data saved successfully, then click on OK. Now the list of added others activity is here. You can see your name of other activity which is mapped. So this was the process for add subcategories of others activities for already approved works. Thanks for watching.